Okay, hey, what's up? It's Mike Icee. So if you have that noise in your E350 and it's driving you crazy, you know, all the time, it likes to make that noise, especially when you're like turning or whatever. You can kind of test for it if you click off. If you're hearing that noise and you click off and that noise vanishes, it's almost for sure the blower motor, okay? Mine lasted roughly, I think, 7-8 years and 200K miles, so that's not bad. So anyway, the tools you only need two tools. You need a T25 Torx, okay, and a regular flat slot screwdriver, whatever you want to call it. And the part you need is actually the blower motor, okay. I took mine apart to kind of look what was inside there. I think the bearings just get loose. They don't feel right. What's it called? The factory unit is made by Bear. I've got the box right here from the new one. Okay, and then for what's involved, so it's pretty much two steps. You need to remove a panel under the glove box, and two, you need to pop out the blower motor. The blower motor is not actually held in by any screws or fasteners of any traditional kind. It's basically, there's a, I'm going to show you a close-up of the picture and how to do it, but there's this tab with this arrow on it, and anyway, I'm going to go to the picture right now, okay? The picture should be up. And if you look at it, what you'll have to do is you'll have to bring in your finger and you'll have to lift that tab up. And as you're lifting that tab up, you got to grab the housing, the base, and you need to turn it till it reaches the other arrow. Do you see the other arrow? Okay. I'm going to put the other arrow in green, okay? And you have to make the arrow on the glove box match that. Now when you're installing it, you're going to do the opposite, where you push it in so that the arrows align, and when it's in all the way with the arrows aligned, you simply turn counterclockwise, and it's going to go over that thing and it'll pop in, and once it pops in, it cannot be undone. Okay, now it's time for step by step. Okay, how to change out your blower motor. Okay, if your blower motor is making noise and squeaking, I'm going to show you how to do it. The first step you want to do is you want to take a Torx bit and you want to undo, just feel for the 3 Torx. So here's 1, 2, and 3. So it's a T25 Torx. I'm going to undo them. Okay, now take your hand, reach back here and pull this carpet down. Okay, just like that. Then you're going to take this plastic and you're going to remove it. Okay, once you remove the plastic, pull this one off, just up. The one next to the light bulb, you have to grab the tab. Push the little tab, where are you? Right here. Remove the panel. Hold on. Okay. Lift this tab just a little bit with your finger, and as you're doing that, rotate, grab the actual housing and rotate it clockwise. The blower motor is now suspended. Take the wires going up from the blower motor, put your thumb right in that little hole and push down. Okay, there's a little clip. Next one, you take a flat screwdriver and pry that clip out. Okay. Next, go under there and actually go look for make sure there's no debris. It's really easy to change the filter now too if you haven't changed the filter in a while. Okay, make sure you reach up in here and you inspect for any kind of debris which may cause noise, but I doubt you'll find any, but we'll search for it anyway. Okay, there's nothing. When installing a new blower motor that's been balanced, whatever you do, make sure you don't remove these. These are not, what those are like little weights. Like sometimes you see little weights on your wheels. These are little weights, and including that little drill hole to help, to basically so it doesn't vibrate. So whatever you do, make sure you don't remove those little guys. Okay, I'm gonna start off by taking the purple thing, sliding it on. Take this one, pop it in securely. Good. Now I remember there was this little wire likes to go under there, but first of all we're gonna reach it down here. Okay, take the blower motor, insert it so that that arrow, let's see if I can find it for you, that arrow is right there. It'll sink in all the way, and then you just rotate it counterclockwise. Now it's locked in place by the tab. Now it won't turn backwards. Make sure it's flush all the way around. Okay. Then finish off by inserting the plug. Okay. Now remember, we've got this little hook and we need to make sure we align it properly. But first thing we got to do is find the little, for the temperature sensor. Push it in until it clicks. Done. Push in the bulb. Now you have to align this vent here, which is not very hard. You just put it in like that. Okay, good. You stick your finger in there, make sure that it's in. Right there, right there. Everything's in. It's not going anywhere. Looks good. Okay, that's it. You're all done. Okay, so it's all changed. It's out right now. I mean, the new blower motor is unbelievably quiet, silent. I mean, honestly, it makes a big difference. Like,
when you have a car and you have that little noise that you try to drown out with the radio because it sounds like a little rat is running around your AC vents. It's horrible. Hey, what's up? It's Mike Icee. I hope you learned something new in this video. I really appreciate all of you. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, comment below.